Welcome back to Reality Reviews. So in this video we're gonna discuss about a CCTV camera where you can use it at your home, at your parking lot or at your office. So this is a product from Tapo, which is the model number is Tapo CP200. In case if you wanna buy this, the link is in the description and the pinned comment. So let's see what all the future of this product before we unbox this. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, this is a model where it is called pan home security Wi-Fi camera. I'll talk what is this pan. Okay, the first feature, let's see the box. Okay, perfect. So the first feature what is the HD. This comes under 1080p high definition, and the night version is literally good. I'm already using one camera, so I'm able to give the honest review. And up to 128 local storage, and also field of 3D, which is you can rotate the camera all over the places. And next is the biggest important and big feature is a two-way audio. You don't need to use phone anymore, you can use the two-way audio. And the next is live view from your mobile app, where you can download Tapo app and you can view your camera live screen. And next you have is the privacy mode. So in case if you don't want the camera to be recorded your privacy movements, you can turn it off using the application. And third is sharing. In case if you want to share with someone else, they have to download the Tapo and registered, and you can just use their ID in order to share with them. And the final is completely, it is easy setup. That's right, it's completely easy setup. So even this has a motion detection in case and notification. Here is the example. In case if someone comes or if they see any motion detection in the camera, so automatically it will alert to your phone. And also in case you can set up in case if you want a alarm also with the motion detection notification. So this is how the product looks like. Let's get started. And this things everything have discussed. So let's discuss what is this pan title. So that means you will be able to monitor, you will be able to control this camera over the Tapo app. For example, you can just do it right, left, on top, down, bottom. So you can do that. You can play around with the camera. So that is what it says. Okay, this comes with 1 year warranty. In case if you wanna buy, link is in the description. So I'm gonna unbox it. The packaging is pretty good, pretty strong. Okay, so we're gonna unbox. So what you see first is the adapter, where this will be connected to the CCTV, and this one to the power plug. Okay, next you have the mount holder. In case if you are hanging it somewhere on the top, you need this. In case if you are keeping it, that's okay. Keeping it down, you can just keep it as it is. This is not required. But in case if you are hanging it on the terrace parking lot, this might be required, because the thief does not have should not have the control over the CCTV, and that nothing else. And this is how the CCTV looks like. The reason it's written ACT is because I bought it through ACT app. In case if you're buying through ACT and you have an ACT connection, then only this product will work. If not, if you're buying it through Amazon or Flipkart, this ACT won't be written. Okay, so you can use it with any Wi-Fi. So do not buy from app if you're not using an ACT connection. So this is how the product looks like. they have a memory slot. If you see here, memory slot up to 128 GB is supported, and there's a small reset button. And this is how the pan lift. For example, this does not turn because I haven't registered. And there's a mic where you can have two-way speaking, okay, and a TP link, the brand is written, and also as a power connector. And this is how it looks like in case if you're mounting it on the top, and in case if you're keeping it somewhere, you can just keep it like this, in case desktop, TV store, or on the showcase somewhere. So this product is pretty good, and it is very easy to install. Just need to power this up, and you need to download the Tapo. Just follow the instruction, and this will get linked with that device, and this start getting work. And in case if you want recording, live recording, you have to put the memory card inside. So this is awesome. Hope this video likes, and in case if you want to buy this, the link is in the description. Hope, take care, bye.